Okay, today we are at Disneyland, California, Haunted Mansion Holiday Ride. This is an overlay that they do for the Haunted Mansion in Disneyland. They only do it in Disneyland and I believe in Disneyland Tokyo. They don't do it in Disney World in Florida for various reasons relating to the guests that go to each park. But here it's a totally, basically remake of the Haunted Mansion ride to be Nightmare Before Christmas themed. It's pretty amazing. They do this in about 2 weeks time. That they closed down the ride in August, and as of last year, it remained this way from August until into February, I believe. So it's a good 1/3 of the year that the Disneyland Haunted Mansion actually has this Nightmare Before Christmas theme. I'm not sure how I feel about the overlay. I mean, it's an amazing job and it's cool, but if I were going to Disneyland like for one shot, would I want to see this or the real ride? I'm not sure. Probably this, because this is more unique, and the Haunted Mansion itself is pretty similar to the Disney World version, so this would probably be better, but I would still be disappointed not to see the Haunted Mansion in its, original, true form. But anyway, here we are, and you can see that the amount of work that they do to change this over is really amazing. See here all the wreaths and pumpkins that are all over the place. They have pumpkins similar to kind of the idea that I have and continue to have, had last year, and continue with the pumpkins kind of strung up as Christmas lights during Halloween. Here we are in the pet cemetery. I don't see too much really changed there. In the queue here, waiting to get in, and here we are going inside the foyer. Again, you can see all these kind of Christmas decorations that are themed as Halloween as well. So Nightmare Before Christmas in general kind of confuses me. I don't know how I feel about it because, is it a Christmas show? Is it a Halloween movie? I don't know. To me, it seems more like Christmas than Halloween because there's the Christmas in it. And here we go into the stretching room, which again has been rethemed, reworked. So let's check this out. See, the pictures are different. I don't know if I don't think they actually, obviously it moves and stretches, but I don't think the pictures expand in the way that they do in the real stretching room.
So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus.
Dear Sandy Claus. And that's cool. Look how the ceiling has been redone. It's kind of this glass. Oh, the pictures, they do change. Okay, because they kind of break. I see. Get another picture in between as they stretch. Oh, so that's cool.
Not even a mouse. The stockings all hung by the chimney.
The gargoyles are still there, still the same basically. And going around the room, all the different pictures. The stained glass like ceiling. It's really extraordinary that they do all this work and change the ride over in just a matter of a couple of weeks' time. Jack Skellington, that's cool. That's a cool effect. And now the door should open. There's the door. It is. Alright, and now we get into the line to get on the doom buggies. Or they call them a sleigh now or something.
Jack Skellington came here from in town. You'll notice
Here we see all the pictures that are new, changed over.
this year he's decided to play Sandy Claus.
Again,
But
pretty cool the way they do that.
You might see a few flaws.
That one looks like a happy snowman, and it's gonna change to something scary.
Cats will take you away. So that is in store.
Let's go.
Your black Christmas sleigh.
On here.
Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared.
It's the
Jack
busts that follow you. They don't look any different. They have little decorations on them, spider webs with lights on them. That's cool. Here we are opening into the room where you get on the doom buggies here in Disneyland. Just to hear the howl. Cobwebs here. It's a cool display there in the background too as you're getting on.
down, please, and keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their
Decorations all over. We see some of the characters here from Nightmare Before Christmas. You've got all these presents. Season screamings. Here's the endless hallway, and it looks like they have Zero the ghost dog in here now. Floating around here.
Jack's little friend Zero, the ghost dog reindeer.
Ghost dog reindeer.
Nothing here
Singing plants here at the Do Not Open Before Christmas. It's opening itself anyway. There's the hallway of doors. And again, there's wreaths and all these decorations, creepy decorations all over. This giant wreath hanging up here, pulling on the chandelier. That's really cool. This thing. And of course the clock. Into the seance room here. Madame Leota, see how they changed this. They got all these kind of like decoration now hanging here instead of the instruments. This candelabra thing that kind of looks like a Christmas tree. Like playing cards or something. Madame Leota, it looks like she's in kind of like a glass Christmas ornament. Like, that's cool. What is she, like talking through the Nutcracker there? That's cool. All these pictures on the playing cards. That's a cool effect. They have that, and we should be moving on to the dining room scene. See how they modified that. Come on. Where is it? So blurry. Focus. And look at that. Pumpkins everywhere. Presents spilling out, it looks like. Garland up the staircase there. Giant tree. The goats are still dancing. The dancing ghosts are still there. But everybody else seems pretty different here. Oh, it looks like we're paused here. That's kind of good. Get a chance to take it in. Giant like gingerbread house there. Haunted Mansion gingerbread house. Again, the pumpkins all over. I like that. The organ guy's still going. Just got some decorations there. That's a cool looking at the tree that comes out awesome. Look at that. That's cool. And into the attic. Into the attic. What do we find in the attic? More creepy presents all over. Scary duck. Tons of presents. Wow. A giant snake. Giant snake somewhere. Where's the head? Snitch. There he is. Oh, he's got a list in his mouth. The Hatbox Ghost is still there. Doesn't look like he's like really Nightmare Before Christmas-ified too much. Where's the bride? Do they not have the bride now? They took her out totally? I think they made her into Sally or something. Looks like we're stopped here again, but that's okay. I get to take in the Hatbox Ghost. You can see the graveyard scene coming up along the way here. With the giant, look at that, with the giant pumpkin, I don't know what that thing is. I know that's in Nightmare Before Christmas, but it's supposed to be like a snowbank or something. Twisted up like that, I'm not sure. I guess they don't have the bride then. I guess they must take her out for the overlay. That's funny. And down we go. Outside. Still hear some decorations hanging over you. Where's the the caretaker is now Jack Skellington. Wow, so they take him out totally and make a whole new animatronic there. And Zero the ghost dog. Into the cemetery. And we see a lot of the ghosts. Looks pretty much the same. There's Sally. Again, that's a whole new animatronic, I guess. Added in there. And this giant pumpkin snowbank thing. Singing, the singing bus now become the singing pumpkins. That's cool. A lot of the angel scarecrow combo there. Still got the tune going there too. Santa hats and everything. These guys all have lights on them. Another creepy snow angel scarecrow mix. Hitchhiking ghosts. How do they look? Oh, it's what's his name there? Oogie Boogie. With a Wheel of Fortune thing here. Okay, and then what goes on here then? You still get you get Oogie Boogie and snakes. And a prize, so I guess you got a prize. And then with that we get off the ride. And we still see some, look here in the on the exit here, we have still stuff in the outside here. That's cool. There it is. That's an awesome look. Love all the pumpkins. Love the pumpkins. And there's Sally, the little Leota now is Sally. Okay. She'll be waiting. She'll be waiting. And there's Sandy Claus. Alright, well that is the Haunted Mansion Holiday Overlay, Nightmare Before Christmas in Disneyland. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to us please, and follow along, and please help us out, keep us going, so we can keep making these videos. Alright, we've got a lot to come, a lot more ideas, we're just getting started here, so keep it coming. Alright, thank you.